Hello, welcome to Aviation Farming at Delta 4 Hangar, Glendale, Arizona. Starting out, going to be working on this bird wing top skin. This is a top outboard wing skin, and I'm going to start out deburring the holes. And there's about 380 holes in this skin. Looks like I'll have to do some deburring on both sides. This side with the red printing on it is actually the top side of the skin. Oh, by the way, it is my birthday. Oh, thank you so much for singing happy birthday to me. The top skin's turned over now, and I'm deburring a little bit of the edge, smoothing the edge out a little bit, and I've already deburred the holes on this side. This is the bottom side of the skin. And now the Build Boss dude is applying Cortec anti-corrosion inhibitor. The application's being applied to all the rivet lines. Here, Build Boss Dude is applying some of the Cortec to the aft ribs. When this Cortec sets up, we'll be replacing that top skin back on the top of the ribs there. I won't be doing any riveting on it because there's still some tubing that we have to run through there and some wiring, and so we don't want to rivet it yet because we'll be taking it back off. And here's that top aft wing skin being reinstalled and clecoed and back into place for now. In between each of those aft ribs, there's an L-angle bracing that goes underneath the skin and will eventually be riveted. We're gonna be setting that up in a minute. And here's those brackets just lined up in their position that they'll be put in, but of course they'll be underneath that skin, not at the top. Each one of those is a little different size, so the particular L angle has to fit in the right spot here. After lining up those L brackets for underneath the skin, I deburred them and then cleckled them underneath the skin the way they're supposed to be. So all the copper colored clecos here are holding one of those support L angles underneath the skin for now. It's about time to get out of here. I'm gonna run over here and see how Marty's coming along on his Avionics shelf that he's been working on. The idea here is that shelf is going to be able to be disconnected there on that aft side, and it's hinged, and it will lay down so you can have easy access to whatever's on there. He's also going to put some L-angle supports underneath that shelf to help make it stronger. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.